This is the final video to fix DNG files not showing thumbnails. And if you're also facing this problem where all your DNG photos look blank or only show a generic icon, stay with me because I'm going to share every simple way to fix it so you can solve it today. I'm from Rexicht, and I'll explain everything in very simple and clear language. Are you also facing the issue where DNG thumbnails don't appear in File Explorer? This usually happens because Windows doesn't have the right codec, File Explorer's cache is broken, or a third-party viewer is blocking the preview. You may find a lot of solutions on YouTube and Facebook, but many of them are confusing and hard to follow. When I faced this problem myself, I solved it with one secret easy trick. First, enable thumbnails. Open File Explorer options and make sure Always Show Icons, Never Thumbnails is turned off. Next, clear the thumbnail cache. Open Disk Cleanup, select Thumbnails, and clean it. This forces Windows to rebuild previews. Now install the latest raw image extension from the Microsoft Store. This extension adds support for DNG thumbnails on Windows 10 and 11. Another fix is updating your graphics driver. Outdated drivers sometimes stop Explorer from rendering image previews. If you use Adobe software, try installing Adobe DNG Converter. This also restores missing codecs for older systems. You can also reset File Explorer. Open Task Manager. Find Windows Explorer